the biggest wealth transfer over time is happening right underneath our noses, and far too many people are slipping through it. We are living through a change that is powered by artificial intelligence, robotics, energy storage, and blockchain technology. And these tools are transforming the way we live, work, and do business. These powerful tools and technologies are transforming and shaping the next centuries. And those who position themselves on the right side of innovation are going to be handsomely rewarded. But sadly, too many people are just tuning out, and in doing so, they are choosing to stay financially irrelevant. Today, I want to show you exactly how you can set yourself up for financial success in the next 5 years in these 3 simple and powerful steps. So let's dive in. Step 1, learn, unlearn, and relearn. We are in an era of lifelong learning, meaning that to set yourself up for success for the next 5 years, you need to be a lifelong learner. Some of the things that you've learned for the past 5, 10, 15 years, you need to unlearn some of them and acquire new skills. We are in an era of continuous learning. To set yourself up for success in the next 3 to 5 years, you need to be a lifelong learner. For many people, since they left college, they have not even picked up any book to read, let alone even read multiple books. For many others that are still in college, the degrees they are studying is already dead on arrival because these degrees are not even going to be relevant in the next 3 to 5 years. You need to learn new skills. How are you using AI to better the work that you're doing? How are you using AI to make whatever you're creating better? A lot of people are just studying degrees or courses that used to work in the past 5 years, that used to work in the past 10 years, that used to be relevant in the past 15 years. For example, somebody is studying library technology. How is that even relevant right now or even in the next 5 years? For goodness sake, do you want to be a librarian in the next 3 to 5 years when we have Google? When we have tools that can even just give you whatever information that you need at the tip of your fingers? Somebody studying mass communication. Somebody studying the traditional accounting, those things are going to be disrupted in the next few years. These are programs that are no longer going to be relevant in the next 3 to 5 years. And for you to future-proof yourself financially, you need to start learning some of these AI skills. How are you even using ChatGPT? How are you using Replit, Grok? These are tools that have been created to make our life better. And those that know how to use these AI skills are literally positioning themselves to be relevant in the next 3 to 5 years. But those people that say, oh, I don't want to pay attention to this technology, I don't want to use it, I just prefer to just stay within the confines of my degree. After all, I studied library technology 5 years ago, 10 years ago. Those are things that are not going to make you relevant in the next 5 years. Those that position themselves and start learning the skills. Any skill that you don't understand, go on YouTube, learn, go on ChatGPT, put in prompts. How do you learn to be a prompt engineer? You want it to create an image for you? You want it to create a video for you? These are skills that you can learn. For many people that are complaining that, oh, I can't even find a job or nobody's hiring. Have you reskilled? Have you retrained yourself? Have you acquired more skills that are going to make you very attractive to your employer? This is a new age of artificial intelligence where productivity is heightened, meaning that you can use some of these tools to make your life easier, better, faster, and even more efficient. But those that don't want to position themselves to be at the right side of innovation, they are going to be irrelevant in a few short years. And today, I'm telling you that for you to win financially in the next 5 years, you need to learn, unlearn, and relearn by using these AI tools to make yourself relevant and even better. Step 2, you need to invest and don't just work for money. So many smart people, doctors, nurses, accountants, lawyers, teachers, are still trading their physical energy for money. But to be financially relevant in the next 5 years, it's important to know that you cannot work or save your way to financial freedom or wealth. There is no way that you can just trade your physical energy for money alone. That is not sustainable because at some point in time, your body is going to start complaining. I've seen many smart people. They are very diligent. They are very good at their work, but they are only trading their physical energy. They have not mastered how to make their money work for them by investing. Investing is one of the simplest ways to ensure that your money works for you. The rich, the wealthy, what do we do instead? We use systems to create wealth. And there's so many systems that you can use, and I'm going to mention 4. There's stocks, there's crypto, there's real estate, there's arts. Real estate is very capital intensive and can be sometimes subjective. Not a lot of people can play the real estate game because why? You need a lot of capital to get started. The same thing with arts. It's very illiquid and it's very subjective. And when I say illiquid, meaning that if I wanted to sell a piece of real estate property right now, I cannot easily sell it within just a few minutes. It's not liquid. I cannot easily just transfer it into fiat or into cash. The same thing with arts. The same thing with real estate. But that is where stock comes into play. Anybody can participate in both the stocks and the crypto market, provided you have a smartphone and access to the internet. You can start investing in either the stock market or in crypto with as little as $1. In real estate, you cannot really do that. In arts, you cannot really do that. But both the stock and the crypto markets are accessible to anybody. This is global. This is a vehicle that anybody can build wealth with, irrespective of your location, irrespective of your country of residence. The stock market is accessible. The crypto market is accessible. And these are simple and powerful vehicles that you can use to build wealth. And the beautiful thing about stocks and crypto is that these are liquid assets, meaning that you can easily convert them to cash. If I wanted to do the same thing with real estate or with art, it's going to be very difficult. But with stocks, with crypto, you can easily sell that anytime you want. The rate are using these vehicles to build wealth over time. There are so many strategies. Whether you're a long-term investor where you just buy and hold an asset, or you're trading for income, meaning that you're using different strategies, options trading, covered calls, or you're even edging your portfolio with the VIX ETFs. Again, both the stock and the crypto market is accessible to anyone globally, provided you have access to the internet. And this is not even rocket science. You can start with any amount, but the most important thing is for you to learn how to use these systems, how to use these vehicles to your advantage. Step 3, teach the next generation. I'm going to say that again. Teach the next generation. Many adults struggle financially today because our parents were financially illiterate. And because of that, they gave us an old formula. What is the formula? Go to school, get good grades, get a fantastic job, work there for 40 years, get married at some point in time, have kids, and then retire and just die. But nobody taught us how to make our money work for us. And that is what I'm telling you today. That no matter the career that you're pursuing, no matter the degree that you've earned, if you don't understand how to use vehicles like the stock market, like crypto, and then teach that to the next generation, you are literally continuing the cycle of poverty. The world we're going into has changed from what it used to be. And those that don't master step 2, which is investing, they are literally setting up their children and grandchildren for financial hardship. Because why? The school system was never designed to make you wealthy. The school system was designed to turn you into a corporate worker, a corporate slave, somebody that goes to work 9 to 5. After that, you work for 30, 40 years, and then you retire, and after some years, you die off. But nobody taught us throughout our education that we need to understand the system, the financial system. How can you take $1 and multiply it into $2? How can you take $10 and multiply it into $25? How can you take $100 and multiply it into $500? That is a skill that everybody needs to master. Because no matter the profession that you're doing, you're still using your physical energy, and that is such a small game. It's such a small game. Because when you study the rich, you understand that they use systems to create wealth. And I'm sharing with you what are the systems that you can use. You can use a system called the stock market. You can use a system called the crypto market. Because why? This is how we make our money work for us. Whether we're sleeping or walking or dancing or doing anything, the crypto market and the stock market are just vehicles that we can use to generate wealth over time. And this is accessible to anyone in the world globally. No matter the nation that you are, you can participate in both the stock market and in the crypto markets. This is why step 3 is very, very important, that we teach the next generation how to be enterprising, creative, and to be financially free. But if you are not financially free, how can you then teach the next generation? You can see how important this is, that you need to master step 2, which is where you learn how to invest, how to make your money work for you. If you're serious about building wealth and learning how to make your money work for you, I'm specially inviting you to my Stock Market Investing Masterclass. This is going to run from Friday, August 1st to the 22nd of August. This is where I teach you how exactly I grew my portfolio from just a few $1,000s to almost $500,000 within just 5 years. Investing is a learnable skill. In this course, I'm going to teach you how the stock market works, how to open and use a brokerage account, how to research and pick winning stocks, how to build long-term investment portfolios, and exactly what are the investment strategies and tools that I use to build my portfolio and master how to make my money work for me. I'm also going to give you real-life examples and mistakes to avoid. This is a session where you can ask me questions. What are some of the burning questions that you have? What are some of the mistakes that I've made that you can even learn from? This is a session that I'm going to show you step by step how I was able to just build my portfolio within the space of 5 years. Investing is a learnable skill, and it's important to learn from a practitioner, from somebody that is already investing successfully. This is not a free masterclass. It's going to cost you $1,000. And I don't even want a lot of people, just a few select people, people that are eager to learn how to make their money work for them. Those that want to start with a portfolio of $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $50,000, $100,000, $1 million. Those that are eager to grow their wealth. I don't want somebody that says, oh, I just want to invest $10. No, this masterclass is not for you. If you're part of the people that says, oh, I just want to invest $100, $200 per month. No, this masterclass is not for you. But for those of you that are committed and are hungry to learn, you want to grow your portfolio to multi-million in the next few years, then this masterclass is for you. In this masterclass, I'm not going to invest for you. Nope. But I'm going to teach you Because why? Once you know and understand how to make your money work for you, something literally changes in the way you approach life, the way you approach work, the way you approach your business, because you're playing a bigger game. You're not just using your physical energy to generate money. You can be using your physical energy, but the money that you're generating is also working for you, because you understand that your income is your most powerful wealth generating tool. And the moment you understand how to use step number one, acquire new skills. By acquiring new skills, then you can earn more. And the more you earn and you're able to learn how to invest, and you understand how to turn that money into more money to get more soldiers for you, then you can pass that same knowledge to the next generation. This masterclass is not for everybody. I'm only interested in those that are eager and hungry to learn. Again, it's just going to cost you $1,000. The link to register is in the description area below. The spot is limited, meaning that I'm not opening this up to a lot of people, because why? I only want to mentor those that are eager to make their money work for them. If you're ready to take control of your financial life, click on the registration link below and I'll see you August 1st. Until then, I'm Umoren, your trusted money coach, and I teach you how to make your money work for you.